Good morning everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Newsfeed Career Plus. So let's start our current affairs today. So the first question is, who became the England's most capped test cricketer? The options are A. Jofra Archer, B. Jason Roy, C. Johnny Bairstow and D. James Anderson. And the answer is D. James Anderson. He is the only fast bowler to have more than 600 test wickets from England. And the second question is, Buddhadev Dasgupta passed away recently. He was renowned for which profession? So the options are A. Poet, B. Writer, C. Filmmaker and D. Both A and C. And the answer is D. Both A and C. 5 of his films won National Film Awards for Best Feature Films. He has won National Film Award for Best Direction twice for Uttara and Swapnar Din. And third question is, which country's exports of agriculture and allied products jumped to 41.25 billion dollars? And the options are A. China, B. Afghanistan, C. India and D. Australia. And the answer is C. India. India has registered an increase of 17.34% during financial year of 2021 to 2022. Organic exports registered a whopping growth of nearly 51% during this financial year. Highest growth in exports has been recorded for Indonesia, Bangladesh and Nepal countries. And the fourth question is, Gangam Dimko Singh passed away recently. He belongs to which sport? The options are A. Boxing, B. Hockey, C. Cricket and D. Football. And the answer is A. Boxing. He made his debut into the international boxing in 1997 and won King's Cup for India in 1997. He also represented India at 1998 Asian Games and at the 2000 Olympics. He won gold medal in 54 kgs category in 1998 and he won Arjuna Award and Padma Shri Award in 1998 and 2013. And the fifth question is, first edition of Arab India Energy Forum was virtually held under the co-chairship of which countries? And the options are A. UAE and India, B. Oman and UAE, C. Morocco and India and D. None of the above. And the answer is C. Morocco and India. It was held virtually and concluded on June 9, 2021. And the sixth question is, which institute has developed an early cyclone detection technique? And the options are A. IIT Madras, B. IIT Delhi, C. IIT Kharagpur and D. IISc Bangalore. And the answer is C. IIT Kharagpur. And the seventh question is, who among the following is honored with Disney Conservation Hero Award 2021? And the options are A. Dr. Namgale, B. Francis League, C. Alex Gabirano and D. None of the above. And the answer is A. Dr. Namgale. This was announced by Disney Conservation Fund, California, USA. And the eighth question is, which of the following organizations have established a new industry association, CHATT? And the options are A. Airbnb and EaseMyTrip, B. Voyo and Yatra, C. both A and B, and D, none of the above. And the answer is A and B, both A and B, and the answer is C. So CHATT means Confederation of Hospitality, Technology and Tourism Industry, where CHATT will help small companies and travel and hospitality technology players. And the ninth question is, who has appointed as Facebook's grievance officer for India? And the options are A. Spurti Priya, B. Paresh B. Lal, C. Mark Zuckerberg, and D. None of the above. And the answer is A. Spurti Priya. And the 10th question is, who will be the 17th Chief of Bangladesh Army? And the options are A. Aziz Ahmad, B. SM Shafiuddin, C. Rahil Khan, and D. Shafir Ahmad. And the answer is B. SM Saifuddin. He will replace Aziz Ahmad, who is present Bangladesh Army Chief. And the 11th question is, which of the following country novelist Sitsi Dangavemba wins Pen Pinter Prize 2021? And the options are A. Mongolia, B. Zimbabwean, C. West Indies, and D. South Africa. The answer is Zimbabwean. She is a Zimbabwean and won Pen Pinter Prize 2021. So the 12th question is, according to QS World University Ranking 2022, which of the following university tops in the list? And the options are A. MIT, B. Oxford University, C. Cambridge, and D. Standard. And the answer is A. MIT. MIT ranks first position in the QS World University Ranking 2022, whereas Oxford ranks second and Standard ranks third position, and the fourth position consumed by Harvard University. No Indian university secures a position in topping 100. Only 22 institutes secured in 1000 list, and they are IIT Bombay, which is ranked 177, and IIT Delhi 185th rank, and IISc Bangalore 186th rank. And 13th question is, who was awarded a wild card entry into the Tokyo Paralympic Games? And the options are A. Aruna Tanwar, B. Devon Conway, C. Hazan Tilla, and D. Sumit Malik. And the answer is A. Aruna Tanwar. She becomes India's first ever Taekwondo entry in the Games. Tokyo Paralympics will be held in between August 24 to September 5, 2021. Aruna Tanwar is the current world number 4 in the women category under 49 kilos. And the one-liners today are, Centre extends LIC Chairman M.R. Kumar's term till March 2022. UNSC votes to grant UN Secretary General Antonio Guterres second term. Assam launches Nishta COVID Sanchar to monitor patients in home care. Covaxin publishing the data of the phase 3 trials of its vaccine in July 2021. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down your doubts below about current affairs. Stay safe, stay home.